Hello guys, my name is Dennis. Thank you for coming to my channel, and today I'm gonna do the video about the real Tesla Model Y mileage, the range for how many miles it's gonna take for me, the Tesla Model Y. I mean, I'm just gonna charge it for 100%, and I'm gonna use it like I use every day. I'm not gonna accelerate a lot. I'm gonna use normal mode, not in a chill mode. My car is gonna be parking in a parking lot. I'm gonna use that the camera settings. How it's called? Let me check. Yeah, security. I'm gonna use Sentry mode all the time, and also I'm not gonna disconnect. I'm gonna use that the thing when the car is overheat. It's approximately cabin overheat protection. If it's gonna reach 100 Fahrenheit, it's gonna turn on the air condition. I'm gonna use that, and I'm really interested for how many miles it's gonna last for me. Now let me show it to you. I'm charging, and it's 90% right now. I don't know if you can see here. Let me do it like that. Yeah, it's 93% charging right now, and when it's gonna be 100%, I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna start my journey. Alright guys, and you can see here I almost charged it full. It's 99%, 305 miles. It showed me the range, and now I'm gonna change the trips. I'm gonna do that. Reset the Canada, reset, and I'm gonna change the name. Range, real world, safe. And we'll see here right now, range real world, 0 mile distance, total energy 0, everything is 0, and it's like 3 minutes remaining, and it's gonna be 100% battery. And let's see how many miles it's gonna last. I'm gonna use like everyday drive, like I told you before. I'm gonna also, when I'm coming to my car, I'm gonna turn it on just to cool down the car a little bit, like everyday use. We'll see how many miles it's gonna last. Alright, so now you can see that the charging is complete. It's 307 miles, and it's 100% battery. And let's start to check. Let's go. Okay guys, and now you can see that I'm driving on the one day. I got 50 miles. You can see here 50 miles from the charge, 302 kilowatt per mile, and it's already 69% of battery. But because it's outside, it's hot, and the camera is also on, and I think it's turned on the cabin heat protection. I mean, that's what I have right now, 69%, 50 miles. And guys, you can check here that my car now have 46% of battery, and it was staying a few days in the parking lot. When I come to the parking lot, there was 54%, I think. Now it's 46% for the few days. And you can see the range that I have. From the 100% to 45%, I just got only 81 miles. Let's see what is going to be next. Okay, and now I have almost 25%, it's 28%, and the mileage here is 126 miles I got from 100% till 28%. And it's funny, it's used only 35 kilowatt, but it's 126 miles and only 28% left. I mean, I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to charge my car, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to lower that percentage till 15, I think, something like that, and we'll see how many miles it's gonna be. Alright, and this is the most last update. I have 129 miles range since last charge, and at 16%. I'm gonna go right now on the supercharger, and when I'm gonna be in the supercharger, I'm gonna show you my final results. Alright guys, and I'm close to the supercharger. I'm at my navigation to the supercharger. This way the battery gonna start precondition, and we'll see what's gonna be the final results. It's now 5 miles till the charger, and now I have 137 miles. Then it's gonna be 142 miles per charge. I mean, from 100% to 11%. I mean, we'll see when it's going to be in the end, and when it's going to be on the supercharger. All right, guys, and I've got the supercharger, and you can see the ranges was 142 miles, and I'm at 11% of the charge. Let's see, it showed me 35 miles. Let's split it half. Let's say I don't know, 17 miles more, and it's gonna be like 160. Not that bad. I was hoping it's gonna be some better results, but anyway, it is what it is. And actually, on my next video, I'm gonna try to do the same thing, but I'm gonna charge my car to 80 or 90%. I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna do the same thing, but without the Century mode and without cooling down the car when inside of the car is going to be like 100 something. I'm going to turn that off, and it's not going to be cooling down the car. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm going to post next video soon. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.